Ancient Persian Beauty Secrets, 100-Year-Old Beauty Secrets. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. In a world before Instagram filters and beauty salons, there was a civilization where beauty was considered divine, a sign of inner grace, strength, and wisdom. Beauty has always been an essential part of Persian culture, dating back to the era of the Persian Empire. Today, I'm sharing ancient Persian beauty secrets that are natural, simple, and truly effective. Whether you're into DIY skincare or just love learning about traditional beauty rituals, this video is for you. Let's unlock the secrets of Persian queens and glow naturally. Number 1. Persian approach to beauty. In Persian culture, beauty is seen as a reflection of balance, taking care of your body inside and out. Women have traditionally used natural ingredients, followed a healthy lifestyle, and focused on self-care rituals passed down for generations. Number 2. Rosewater, elixir of Persian women. Let's start with Rosewater, the queen of Persian skincare. Used as a toner, mist, and even in face masks, Rosewater hydrates, soothes, and brightens the skin naturally. To use, soak a cotton pad with pure rosewater and gently dab onto clean skin every morning and night. Number 3. Saffron Glow Mask. Next up, saffron, the golden glow ingredient. This ancient spice has antioxidants that improve skin texture and reduce pigmentation. Try this DIY glow mask. 2 strands of saffron, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. Mix and apply for 15 to 20 minutes. Your skin will love the glow. Number 4. Yogurt and honey hydration. Yogurt and honey are both Persian staples. Yogurt cools and brightens the skin, while honey hydrates and fights acne. This duo is perfect for sensitive or dry skin. Use it twice a week for soft, clear skin. Number 5. Hair oil rituals. Persian women often use natural oils like sweet almond oil or sesame oil for shiny, strong hair. They massage the scalp and leave it overnight before shampooing. It stimulates growth and keeps hair healthy. Number 6. Persian Diet for skin and hair. A Persian diet is full of fresh fruits, nuts, saffron-infused drinks, and herbal teas that boost skin health. Don't forget pomegranates, dates, and cucumbers. They're hydrating and antioxidant rich. Number 7. Bath rituals. Persian women love hammam-style baths. Long, relaxing soaks, followed by exfoliation using natural loofahs and herbal scrubs. This ritual improves circulation, clears dead skin, and leaves you feeling like royalty. Number 8. Clothing and adornment as beauty. Flowing garments made from silk and linen. Next, embroidered scarves and gold-threaded veils. Jewelry, turquoise, lapis, lazuli, gold. Scented oils and perfumes. Attar, musk, myrrh. Number 9. Final thoughts. These Persian beauty secrets are not just about skincare. They're about self-love, tradition, and taking time to care for yourself. Start with 1 or 2 rituals and feel the difference. Glow naturally. And remember, beauty begins with how you treat yourself. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty secrets and inspirations. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try first. And as always, stay glowing.